Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to check your bank balance, pay a bill, or transfer funds, but a branch was miles away or it was past banking hours? In today's fast-paced world, convenience is king, especially when it comes to managing your finances. We all lead busy lives, juggling work, family, and personal commitments, and the last thing we need is for our banking to add another layer of complexity. Traditional banking, with its fixed hours and physical locations, simply doesn't align with the demands of modern life for many of us. Imagine being on vacation and needing to quickly verify a transaction, or realizing a bill is due late at night when all banks are closed. These scenarios highlight the critical need for financial tools that offer flexibility and accessibility, allowing us to manage our money on our terms, not the bank's. That's where mobile banking apps come into play, and specifically, the Patriot Bank mobile app. Designed with the modern consumer in mind, this app transforms your smartphone or tablet into a portable bank branch, putting a comprehensive suite of banking services right at your fingertips. Whether you're an iPhone enthusiast or an Android loyalist, Patriot Bank has ensured that a seamless and secure banking experience is available to you, anytime, anywhere. This isn't just about checking your balance, it's about gaining control, saving time, and simplifying your financial life. From depositing checks with a snap of your camera to setting up personalized alerts that keep you informed, the Patriot Bank app is packed with features designed to empower you. No more rushing to the bank before closing time, no more scrambling to find an ATM, and no more waiting until Monday morning to resolve a banking query. With the Patriot Bank mobile app, your financial peace of mind is just a few taps away. In this comprehensive walkthrough, we're going to dive deep into every corner of the Patriot Bank mobile app, exploring its functionalities on both iOS and Android platforms. We'll show you exactly how to navigate its intuitive interface, unlock its powerful features, and truly maximize your mobile banking experience. So, buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll be a Patriot Bank mobile app pro, ready to take full command of your finances with unparalleled ease and confidence. Let's start with the basics, downloading and logging in. For both iOS and Android users, the process begins in your respective app stores. If you're on an iPhone or iPad, head over to the Apple App Store. For Android users, you'll find it on the Google Play Store. Simply search for Patriot Bank Mobile Banking. Look for the official Patriot Bank logo to ensure you're downloading the correct app. Once you've found it, tap Get or Install and allow it a moment to download and set up on your device. Once the app is installed, tap on its icon to open it. The first time you open it, you'll likely be prompted to grant certain permissions, such as access to your camera for mobile deposits. It's important to review and understand these permissions. Generally, these are necessary for the app to function fully and securely. Now, for logging in. If you're an existing Patriot Bank online banking user, your login credentials, your username and password, will be the same for the mobile app. Simply enter them into the designated fields. If you haven't yet enrolled in online banking, don't worry. Most mobile apps, including Patriot Bank's, will have a clear enroll or register option. Follow the on-screen prompts, which will typically involve verifying your account information, setting up a new username and password, and configuring security questions. For enhanced security and convenience, Patriot Bank's app offers features like fingerprint ID, touch ID, or facial recognition, Face ID. After your initial login, the app will usually ask if you'd like to enable these. We highly recommend doing so. It provides a quick, secure, and hassle-free way to access your accounts without having to manually type in your password every time. It's much faster than typing and adds an extra layer of biometric security. Now that we're logged in, let's explore the dashboard and account overview. Upon successful login, you'll land on the main dashboard, which is your central hub for all things banking. This screen is designed to give you an at-a-glance overview of your financial situation. You'll typically see a summary of your accounts, such as checking, savings, loans, and credit cards, along with their current balances. The layout is usually clean and intuitive. You can often customize which accounts are displayed prominently or even reorder them to suit your preferences. Tapping on any specific account will take you to its detailed transaction history. This is where you can view all recent activities, including deposits, withdrawals, payments, and transfers. You can usually sort by date, amount, or type of transaction, and many apps even allow you to search for specific transactions, which is incredibly useful for reconciling your statements or tracking a particular payment. Some apps also offer the ability to view images of cleared checks, which can be very helpful for record keeping. Next up, let's talk about one of the most frequently used features, transfers and payments. The Patriot Bank app makes it incredibly easy to move money around. The transfer option is usually prominently displayed on the dashboard or in a navigation menu. Here, you can quickly transfer funds between your own Patriot Bank accounts, whether it's moving money from your checking to savings, or vice versa, or making a payment to your Patriot Bank loan. The process is straightforward. Select the From Account, the To Account, enter the amount, and confirm. You can also often schedule recurring transfers, which is perfect for setting up automatic savings plans or regular loan payments. Beyond internal transfers, the app also supports external transfers, allowing you to move money to or from accounts at other financial institutions. This usually requires a one-time setup process to link your external accounts, which often involves verifying small deposits to ensure you own both accounts. Once linked, transferring funds becomes just as easy as moving money between your internal accounts. It's important to note that external transfers might have daily limits and processing times, so always check the app for details. Now, let's talk about bill pay. This feature is a game changer for managing your expenses. No more writing checks, buying stamps, or rushing to the post office. With bill pay, you can set up payees, which are the companies or individuals you pay regularly, and then schedule payments directly from your bank account. You can set up one-time payments for immediate bills or schedule recurring payments for things like rent, mortgage, or utilities. The app usually allows you to track pending payments and view your payment history. It's a secure and efficient way to ensure your bills are paid on time, every time, helping you avoid late fees and manage your cash flow more effectively. One of the most revolutionary features of mobile banking is mobile deposit, also known as remote deposit capture. This allows you to deposit checks simply by taking a picture of them with your smartphone or tablet camera. It's incredibly convenient, saving you a trip to the bank or ATM. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.